Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Jamaica's trade deficit for the January to March quarter this year grew by US $1.41 billion. This as exports rose by 1.6% to US $1.89 billion, while exports fell by nearly 2% down to US $485.2 million during the first quarter of this year. That's a wider gap compared to the same period last year when the deficit stood at US $1.37 billion. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica says the increase was mainly driven by a 6.4% rise in the importation of raw materials and intermediate goods, along with a 9.8% jump in consumer goods. Carissa Ribeiro, Chief of Operations for the Caribbean region at the Inter-American Development Bank, IDB, says the Boosting Innovation, Growth and Entrepreneurship Ecosystems Big E program continues to play a vital role in advancing the growth of numerous micro, small, and medium-sized enterprises across Jamaica. I quote, to date, over 1,400 MSMEs and 50 ecosystem institutions have received direct assistance through the program. The beneficiary MSMEs have recorded an average of 20% increase in sales. Big E has had a meaningful impact and has been central to the growth of several MSMEs, Ms. Ribeiro said. She shared this update during the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce MSMEs Linkages Day event held recently at the University of Technology in St. Andrew. Big E, a flagship initiative of the Development Bank of Jamaica, is designed to empower MSMEs and promote innovation across the country. The 5-year program, which began in September 2020, is financed by a US $25 million IDB loan and a US $8.2 million grant from the European Union. For the trading period ending July 23, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Online educational provider One-on-One Educational Services Limited with 4,908,094 units traded, representing 37.17% of market sales volume. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 2,633,000 units traded, representing 19.94% of market sales volume. Energy firm Wigton Energy Limited with 719,306 units traded, representing 5.45% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On July 22, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $67.89 million purchased and US $65.05 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $2.04 per dollar, selling the US at $161.31 and buying the US at $159.58. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $6.84 per transaction, with selling at $118 and buying at $117.61. The British pound yielded Forex traders $1.72 in profit, was selling at $216.23 and buying at $214.31. For our credit report tip of the day, take charge of your entrepreneurial future. Start by mastering your credit today. Do not wait until you need funding or sign a lease. Pull your credit report now, scrutinize every detail, and tackle any issues head on. Your credit score impacts your ability to secure loans, negotiate terms, and build business credit. Make it your priority to clean up your credit, build strong habits, and lay a financial foundation that supports your business growth from day one. When you are building something from nothing and you're moving from financial recovery to financial resilience, as a professional woman over the age of 45, Stop carrying the weight of financial fears passed down from your family and the mother wound. You saw your mother sacrifice, stay silent, play small. Now it's your turn to break the cycle. Take control of your finances today. Rewrite those limiting beliefs, demand the wealth you deserve, and make bold, unstoppable moves towards building real financial power. This is your moment. Step up, own your money story, and take action that changes everything. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.